So I have vinegar and salt together. And soap and salt. Salt and water together. And I mix them up. Okay, so I'm going to put the coins inside and see if they change. So they are right now brown. And here's the blackest one, the brown ones. Okay, put them inside. And now let's go with the soapy ones, okay? And first, let's mix the vinegar ones. So you mix, 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 and mix. And look, it changed color. Okay, now let's try with another saw, another fork, and mix, 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 mix. Ooh, it's not changing color. So vinegar and salt can change color, like from dark brown to light brown, but not like these darkest ones. Okay, bye.